Hello everyone, today we are going to make a coconut collector game in Scratch. So we're not a coconut collector, a ball collector. Like the balls will fall down, then you have to collect them, your score will change. So let's get this moving. So first, you obviously like in every video, we name this player. Then you put a green flag clicked, whatever. If key space pressed, do it, right arrow, duplicate the if, motion, change x by, 10, do it to 5. This one will be -5. Okay, so I'll turn into left arrow, and then that's all we do. Okay, now let's go. We can move this way, and then we can move this way. We are not gonna do the whole code. So, and if also we need a backdrop. And the backdrop is just going to be simple. Customize backdrop, choose the color gray, get a gray filter color, have a box, put a gray box down here. You can make it a bit more shorter. There you go. Outline will be 0. Okay, there we go. We write down here, so code, go to this, when we flag clicked, go to this. Okay, now so for example, if it's here, the green flag, and then boom boom boom, you can go different directions, only these 2 directions. So stop the code, and now we need to make a ball. Make another sprite. The ball color will be red. So we can make a big circle here. And then snap it in the middle. Then like always, we can do this to this, and then make a box here, and move it to here. Okay, now it's a perfect circle. We will name this, obviously, ball. Now to get to the code. One green flag clicked. Control, motion, go to this position. Okay, let's test one project that, and I'll go. Okay, good, but this is not a collector because you can't just go. Okay, so you'll need if I click ball, make a variable, delete the variable, make a variable. This will be called for this part only. This will be gravity. Gravity for this sprite only. Okay, but we don't want this showing, so we can hide this. Okay, now when green flag clicked, set gravity to 0. Control forever. a sprite. This will be a white box of the outline black. This in the outline of black. There we go. And this will be here. Oh, sorry, this will be down here. No, this will be here, so we can make the outline 0. But this cut is still here, so we can, first of all, we can do this. Invisible. Sorry. Invisible. And then we can paint another sprite. This will be like this box. we can Control C this and then delete this. And backdrop can be like that. Then we can Control V this. Okay, well, we need this down here, so we can just move this right and simply put it down here. So I'm going to click, now it goes there. Okay, that's it. Well, we need to make this a bit higher so like it can match. There we go. This will be called path. Okay, so now we can go to the bold code. Whatever, change gravity by 1. And then we can put a block, make a block. This will be called fall. Sorry. Fall. You can put fall block over there. Okay, now we're not ready yet because we also make it go to invisible. Okay, now there we go. But invisible is there, and okay, this is invisibility. Okay, that's yeah. And so since invisible is there, we have to stretch it. Okay, now that's too what? So okay, now it's coloring the cat and we do not want that. So code for invisible event. I'm going to like click Control whatever if something touching layer motion looks go to back layer. Okay, there we go. Okay, now, oh yeah, sorry, ball go to this, so smash the green flag and then boom, it's going there. So you don't want it to straight away go to invisible. Motion, glide 1 sec to invisible. Okay, now we can test that out. Now let's go. Now 1 sec is too much, as you can see, so we can glide 2 secs. So let's go. Okay, now that is slow and tricky, and that's a lot good. And also we can change the gravity by -1 instead of 1. Okay, now that's good. Now to the more coding. Path, go to -4 I16 event 1 game second. Easy with the path. Now for the balls we need to make clones, but since there's only 300 limit clone, we can take the pen instead. So when glide to 6 to invisible, stamp, okay, it's good. With the stamping, look, see? When you move it away, stamp, so like this 6 to invisible, also I find now. Also when if I clicked, alright, so this will definitely need that. When flag clicked, forever, stamp, glide, duplicate it, glide to 6 to invisible. Now forever, so we need this for forever. And let's go. Then if touching invisible, we need that. It won't work because we need an if touching invisible. Forever, if something touching invisible, if touching invisible, stamp, go to -189 Y for 1. Then we can glide the 2 secs to 1 position. Okay, now that's good. Now see, so yeah, sorry, we have to put it. Okay, clicked. Forever stamp. Okay. Okay, now that's an amazing laser. Amazing. But we will need to duplicate the ball. duplicate, duplicate, duplicate. So for the ball 2. Okay, yes, good. Well, I need to place these in different places. Like, this is like a a laser pointer game. Where you don't get shooted by the lasers. For the invisible. So for the invisible, we need it a bit higher. And for this we don't need ball 4. So delete this. Let's go. We'll need this for all of them. Do this. So we focus. Ball 2, ball 1, ball 3. So okay, these are the different balls. So this one to go to 100 Y minus 100. Okay. So ball 5. So there's 5 more balls we can move. Okay. And let's test that project one out. And well, we can have more. We'll only need 2 balls, so we can. Okay, so that's good. But the ball 2 is keep going there, so ball 2, when green flag clicked, we don't want it going there. We want it going to the position it is right now. So wherever the position is, right now ball 2 is in. Position, motion, this. 42 minus 6, 7. Okay, let's not easily. Okay, so we know what this position. So our position. So we 42, 6, 7. Okay, it isn't. Okay, now let's go. This position, we're going to go into this position. So we need ball 1 going to this position. Okay, now that's good. But then this will go here. If you press the green flag, yeah. So it's a laser. Then it's going to return back there. So I know return back there. We need it to duplicate, so we'll create a stamp of it. So ball create a stamp which will go to this position. So the invisible, no. Okay, let's go. Then boom, 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 boom. But see, the cat is right behind it, so it's getting shoot. So we want it when green flag clicked, looks, hide, and go to variables. Do a variable wait to show for price. Okay, we don't want it to show. So okay, first we'll put the control, wait, so we can count 1, 2, 3. Okay, so wait 3 seconds, then show, but we don't want it gliding 2 seconds to invisible, so we can glide it 2 seconds to player. Okay, now let's go, and then we don't want it touching you, so we can delete this invisible sprite. Yes, okay, that's good. We want it going to player, and then you have to quickly dodge it, okay? But we need it going into front layer, and we won't be needing another ball also. Yes. Now there's a one clean laser, but we need it going to here, so there you go. We don't want it to play as well, so we need to go to around the position. So now let's go. But then it can go there. So we want it to go anywhere, like but here in the ground. Okay, now you can test this out, and then boom, it's only gonna stay there. We don't want it to run the position. We want it to go to mouse pointer, so okay, now it's just going to mouse pointer, so you can just do it to simply player. We don't want it like going wiggly. Okay, then see when it's going through, and then boom. So we can add the same thing for the player. Green, when flag clicked, control forever if touching ball go to front layer. Okay, now it can go like this, and then see, now if it's touching the ball, it just goes to front layer completely. And also, of course, the animation. So we need it next custom. Wait. 0.2 seconds. Green flag clicked. Forever. And then good. Now it's animation where it's like running. But now to change it from ball, this height will be called laser. Since now it's a laser, it's not a ball. Now it's a laser. Now also, if touching laser, we need another one. So we won't need this front layer, layer. It's fine. If touching laser, broadcast message 1. Now need a new block. This will be called game over. It's not a game, so it's not really like a game, so we can do like, let's call it like one chance. One chance over. Okay, that's good. But for the text, we need it like good, so we can just do a game over. And of course, the handwriting will be black color. Game over. But we need a big we need it bigger, so like this. Game over. So we need now to the code. And gameplay clicked. Hide. Show when I receive message 1. Okay, that's it. And then when you're touching, and this is a pen, so a laser. So we need, yeah, this is the ball. So and then dunk it. Now it works. See, but it's still working. So we need a broadcast message 1. Stop all. Okay, stop. You need to stop also. You can just stop this script and stuff. And then game over. Okay, guys, so this is now my holiday, so please give a like and subscribe to this video. Bye.